Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening your device's settings immediately. Don't fiddle with buttons. Once open, go to Sound or Audio or pull down Control Center/Quick Settings. You need to access software controls that replace the physical key. If available, tap Accessibility for alternative audio controls. Make sure Bluetooth earbuds are disconnected so internal volume changes apply to the device. Once done, you'll be ready to reduce volume using sliders, presets, or accessibility toggles instead of the hardware button. Now you'll lower sound with software. Drag the volume slider down slowly to set the desired level. If alerts are the issue, enable Do Not Disturb or a focus mode to silence notifications. This reduces intermittent sounds without changing media volume. For music or video, open the apps in Player Volume Control and reduce it there, because app sliders sometimes override system defaults. Make sure equalizer or audio enhancement features aren't boosting sound. Turn them off to finish by testing playback with a short clip or ringtone to confirm volume is lower. If the level doesn't change, force close the media app or restart the device. Temporary software glitches often block slider updates. If that fails, check for stuck accessibility or audio routing to Bluetooth. As a last resort, boot into safe mode or reset sound settings. Make sure to back up preferences first. Key troubleshooting tip: if sound remains high, disconnect external audio devices and clear app cache before any reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.